Fresh Cash Friday. Fresh Cash Friday. Just keep saying that. Fresh Cash Friday. Fresh Cash Friday. What's going on, guys? It's Friday morning. Last day of the week. I'm heading to Vegas tomorrow. The sun is shining. The world is still spinning. It's a good day to be alive. Good day to be alive. This morning, what are we looking at? What are we looking at? I forgot what we're even looking at here. Oh, yeah, we're looking at a couple of things. So, NLNK. I'm trying to figure out why this stock is down so much today. It's down there to the 925 area. It's down 40% on what looks like no news. No news. If you can find the news on why NLNK is down, I'll give you $1. But I can't find it. Doesn't look like there's any news. Why is it down so much? The last news was 3 days ago. News. Nope. 8 days. No news. I can't find it. I don't see any news. So NLNK down 42%. And then we got INCY down there to $64, $64.25. A couple biotechs this morning having some troubles. INCY, NLNK. So we got LFIN. LFIN. Oh. This stock is... It's moving. It's moving, but I just do not. I don't like it. I don't like it. I wish it was a different stock that was up 20% right now, because I just do not want to trade LFIN. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, but I don't want to trade it really. But LFIN yesterday making a big move. From the $10 area, end of day was all the way up there at $22. Crazy stock. Crazy stock. It's up there, pre-market high, $24.27 right now. You can see this dinging around there. Yeah, I'm not super in love with LFIN. If I don't trade it today, I won't complain. I won't be mad. I was also looking here at GCAP. GCAP kind of gapping up yesterday after hours from the $7 area up there to $7.75. Pulling back down there to $7.20 now. Only 2,000 shares traded, so nothing to really write home about, but just keep an eye on it. Just, keep an eye on it. You never know. You never know. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do here. NLNK. I feel like at this point, shorting NLNK just might not be a good idea, but maybe possibly buying the dip here might be a good idea. Choices. So many choices, so little time. It is down 40%. Maybe we get back above this VWAP there at the 450 area. Might look for an opportunity to go long. That's what I'll probably do. I'll probably wait to see if NLNK can get above the 450 area there. Once the market opens, I don't see the trial failure. Where is the trial failure at? I don't see it. NLNK, where does it say trial failure? There it goes. Okay, now I see it. I see the news. Thank you. I see the news. So I guess it's the NLNK deal is part of the INCY deal, or they're working together or something. Okay, that makes sense now. That makes sense. Okay. All right. We got it. I got it. I figured it out now. Figured it out. Oh, I'm a genius. INCY and NLNK trading together here. So I don't know. We'll see if this gets above this 450 area. That's a big drop. Big drop on this stock. I have seen these types of stocks just keep going down, though. I have seen these stocks keep plummeting. But still, I'm not sure I want to jump in on there. Looking at the overall markets today. Looking at the SPY yesterday. Well, yeah, I think it was last 2 days. Well, so the day before, on Wednesday, the market rallied. Rallied from that 255 area up there to 266. And then yesterday, kind of ding, ding, ding. And then after hours, took a bit of a drop. And now we're below all the EMAs again. So looks like we might be turning back down here. See what happens at open. But looking at the overall market this morning, you can see that clear sort of almost that support from the other day there at the 264 area turning into a resistance there. So might be some opportunity. Might be some opportunity there on the overall market today with some volatility plays. We'll see. This thing starts going again. You can see that low down there. I'd say you got the next support there down there at the 255 area. Well, let's say this one really. This is where it balanced yesterday, 261, 262 area. That was that previous resistance back there on Wednesday. That 261 area turning into support this morning. It's always interesting once you start putting lines on charts and seeing just kind of where everything lines up at. Normally it bounces so perfectly, or it trades off of those lines almost perfectly most of the time. All right, so the overall market's kind of just in a weird area right now. Maybe they're going to rally today. A lot of people hoping for a big stock rally, but I don't know. I don't know what the real catalyst here is to send the market to all new highs. Let's go back to the real money making. Remember, it's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Okay. Got NKTR down from $100 down there to $94 right now. Down 7%. Looks like the overall bio market just taking a beating today. A lot of biotech companies getting crushed. LFIN breaking above. Is it breaking above it? Yeah, breaking above that pre-market high there. $23, $24. $24. Oh man. Like I said, I'm not a big huge fan of LFIN right now, but it sure is taunting me. It's like, hey, we're going higher. Do you want to come with us? I don't know if I want to. I don't want to come with you, LFIN. Leave me alone. Stop taunting me. What do you think? What do you guys think? Where's LFIN going to end up today? I got a good feeling that LFIN is going to crash and burn here at some point. But the problem is who knows when it's going to crash and burn. It might go to $50 before it crashes and burns. I'm going to Vegas tomorrow morning. Vegas. Viva Las Vegas. Really not a big fan of Vegas. It's a great place, but oh, it's such a bad place to be. LFIN. I love seeing on Stock Twits and stuff like that, people talking about how LFIN's going back to $75. Don't worry, guys. It's going back to $75. All-time highs, LFIN, today. There are some delusional people out there. There are some seriously delusional people out there. If LFIN goes back to all-time highs today, I'll sell my kidneys. Sell one of them. Sell one of my kidneys. I don't know what I'm going to do with the profits, but I'm going to do something. From $22 up there to $25 now. LFIN. You a funny little stock. All right, what else is moving around this morning? Looking for a small capper doing something this morning. Doesn't look like there's much small cap action going on there. NLNK up to that 450 area now. Let's see if this is going to break over 450. Kind of bounce back here after being down 40%. NOG down 12%. No shares is short. What do I play in Vegas? Normally I play roulette. Just put it on black, baby. Put it on black. Really easy. I'm gonna try to not play roulette this time when I go to Vegas. I'm gonna try to not gamble. That's my game plan, but there's probably a good chance that I will gamble. It's a slippery slope. You get out there and you're like, I don't want to gamble, and then you start gambling, and then before you know it, you're $1,000 in the red. I don't know. I prefer my odds trading more than gambling at this point, really, I think. So NLNK, where's this thing gonna go? Not sure I want to short it right here. Not sure that's where I want to short it at, but looking like that 420 support there. 420 support there on NLNK. 450 resistance. So we're right in the middle of that channel here. Pretty clear channel. Pretty clear channel. 450, 422, 420 area, holding it in here. So we'll see if we're gonna get a breakout. This 450 area gonna break. It looks like we're about to break right here. Here she goes. Here she goes. All right, there we go. So let's see if this 450 area turns into support on a bit of a pullback. Might be an opportunity later on. Just keep an eye on NLNK for a little bit of a bounce back today. Bit of a spread right now, about a 15-cent spread. Interesting. LFIN getting up there to $25, pulling back down there to $23. That's what I was talking about earlier. I don't like it. I don't want it. I don't need it. I don't need this type of drop in my life. That's too much. Just too much of a drop there. Dropping down from 25.30 down there to 23.50. So you get a $2 drop there. Really volatile, really crazy stock. LFIN. You know, it's one of those stocks that it could keep going higher, but the amount of stress, the amount of risk you have to endure with this stock is not sure it's worth it. Just not sure it's worth it. All right. So there it is. Checking out what stocks are hot today. NLNK, nothing really looking amazing right now. I got INCY, NLNK. These two stocks kind of bouncing back after having some serious lows. And then you got LFIN doing some crazy things. I'll keep looking at the pre-market mover list. Not really much moving this morning other than those stocks we talked about. Might be a thoughts on RIGL. Let me take out RIGL. A couple people asking about this one. RIGL. Oh, it's a big green candle. Just one big green candle. 1,000 shares traded. It's up there to 350. Huh. My thoughts would be that this has no volume. Really hard to say. Maybe it opened. Maybe this thing wants to start doing something. But if you see RIGL resistance coming up there, 357 resistance, and then yeah, there's a lot of A lot of resistance there. 357 area, 360 area there on RIGL. Needs a lot more volume. It's only got 1,000 shares traded. I think popped up 8% on 1,000 shares. Somebody was like, hey, I want to buy RIGL this morning. I don't care what I got to pay for it, but I'll buy it. I want to buy 1,000 shares. Give it to me. And they got him. They got him good. So NLNK looking like this 450 area is gonna turn into support, getting a little bit of a flag there. See if this breaks over 460 here. Nice little bounce on NLNK off that 420 area, up there above 450 now. It's looking fun. I like it. I'll probably end up trading NLNK if it does look strong here at some point. It looks for a little bit of a rip. Might get a little rip back up that $5 area maybe. Maybe we'll get something like that at open. Get some volume there. Short, squeeze some shorts, get some shorts covering. I can see it happen. I can see it happening. You never know. We'll see. But there it is. Checking out NLNK. Looking at LFIN and some other hot stocks this morning. Overall, nothing looking amazing. Got INCY doing a bit of a rally here from the $64 area back up there to $66.75. Its stock's been down, getting crushed there. Where to get down from $84 area. So INCY kind of curling up here. That's a pretty big gap in the chart. It's a pretty big gap. We'll see if NLNK follows it on up. So there it is. I'm gonna go and get ready for the market open here. I'll talk to you guys later on. And I'm not sure I'll be streaming on Monday or Tuesday because I'll be in Vegas, but I'll probably be streaming on Wednesday. So I'll see you guys later on, and then I'll see you guys live back here on Wednesday. See you then.